From big cats to meerkats, wild dogs to baboons, you could meet these animals and play a vital role in their future, aiding the conservation of the environment, wildlife and culture as you go. Volunteer at the Namibia Wildlife Sanctuary and you could help to care for some of Africa's most iconic yet threatened animals. With each day offering an incredible experience, you'll play a crucial role in the everyday running of the sanctuary. The Namibia Wildlife Sanctuary takes in countless orphaned, injured or problem animals all over Namibia and aims to release them back into the wild where they belong when they can. Sadly, this isn't always possible, but the sanctuary then offers a forever home for those animals where they're cared for the rest of their days. So, what will you do as a volunteer? Help with different types of animal enrichment, such as wandering off the beaten track on walks with baboons and cheetahs. It's activities like these that help to stimulate the animal's wild instincts, so you really know you're making a difference. With such a huge variety of animals to care for, you'll play a leading role in preparing their meals as well as helping to feed them. You'll also help to keep their homes clean and tidy, encountering many a furry friend along the way. You'll also become a part of the research team and monitor the free-roaming animals that reside across the sanctuary's large reserves. And so much more. As well as meeting some incredible animals, you'll meet some equally incredible people and make lifelong friends as you unite for the same cause and uncover the true beauty of Namibia. So, for a true conservation experience in the African bush, the Namibia Wildlife Sanctuary is the place to be if you really want to make a difference. With everything that you want and more, it is sure to change your life. So secure your place today.